Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the Scalping Future Indicator for MT4. This tool is designed to give short-term traders a visual view of shifting intraday conditions by plotting clear signals on the charts whenever its built-in logic detects potential scalping scenarios. At this point, I'll just go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Maybe I want to allow DLL imports. Right, just go back. And here we have it. If you look closely, you can see the visual markers. The scalping feature indicator typically plots arrows, dots, or other symbols on or near price bars. Each time its criteria point to a possible short-term move. Bullish symbols are drawn below candles to indicate that, according to the indicator's calculations, upward pressure may be building. Bearish symbols are drawn above candles, or in this case, they are drawn below candles as well, but then in the opposing direction, implying that local conditions may favor a short-lived downward move. As signals accumulate, you get a visual track record of where the market has exhibited short bursts of momentum, allowing you to compare them with structure and volatility on your charts. Alright, for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. So you basically just have the filter period and then the stop loss distance pips, and also customize the colors and trade on our preferred time frames as well. Alright, so who is for? The scalping future indicator is aimed at scalpers and very short-term traders who want clear, immediate visual prompts on their MT4 charts. It is an analytical signal tool only and does not open or manage positions. As with any indicator based on historical price data, it can produce false or lagging signals, particularly in sideways or news-driven markets. Traders should always use it in combination with their own chart reading, higher time frame bias, and strict risk management, rather than treating its outputs as standalone instructions. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Scalping Future Indicator and see detailed chart examples at the Forex Geek. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.